Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to verify an account on Venmo. First, if you're looking for an interface video or a video inside the Venmo, this is not the video for you. So I apologize. Of course, if you don't have Venmo downloaded, make sure to download it and make sure to log in into your account or create an account if you don't have any. So once you're logged in into your account, of course, first of all, why is Venmo asking me for my personal information? Verifying your identity allows you to make payments using the money in your Venmo account and can enable you to send and transfer a greater amount of money on Venmo. Venmo is required by federal law to collect certain information from all its sources or users, that have access to a balance. We may also ask you to verify your identity if you attempt to do any of the following. Send $300 or more in 1 week, rolling 7-day period. Transfer 1,000 or more to your bank or in a week. Be added as a manager for an organization account and receive payments for goods and services through either a personal or a business profile. So I got an email from Venmo asking me to verify my identity. Is this legit? Of course, they'll tell you that we will notify you in the Venmo app and via email that if they need to verify your identity, and we appreciate you being careful with your personal information. And always advise avoiding emails that may seem suspicious. In this case, handling identity verification in your Venmo app can help confirm whether the request is really coming from them. So if you got a link through email, make sure to not click it and start sending your personal information. And of course, if we're unable to verify your identity by the date specified in the email you received, we won't be able to continue offering the use of Venmo balance or for making payments. They will basically freeze your account. In this case, here's what you should keep in mind. That you can still receive payments and transfer money from your Venmo account to a bank. You can still make payments on Venmo using debit card, credit card, or bank account. And you will not be able to use money in your Venmo account to make any payments. How do I verify my identity? Go to the Me tab on the Venmo, tap on settings gear at the top right, tap on identity verification, and then the on-screen prompt will guide you through the process. And you can only do this in the Venmo mobile app, not the Venmo website. So on PC, you will not be able to do it. How long does it take to verify your identity? Only takes a few minutes, so be patient. And of course, sometimes our automated ID verification process doesn't work because the information isn't available on or your name, your address change. In that case, we'll ask you to send us documentation in the app that confirms your identity. So yeah, that's how you do it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.